Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haifa, Nenden, Andriyana. I'm from 8-2, 2022. My student ID is 22220064. In this video, I would like to present the result of analyzing the text using textual metafunction approach. But before I present the result of the analysis, I would like to explain about systemic functional linguistics. According to Martin et al., as cited in Dory 2020, systemic functional linguistics is an approach to linguistics that considers language as a social semiotic system. The grammar of language is interpreted as a system which helps people to interact with each other and to make sense of their world experiences. Halliday proposes three metafunctions at the lexical-grammatical level, which include adiational metafunction, interpersonal metafunction, and textual metafunction. Alright, now I would like to explain about textual metafunction. According to Dory 2020, the textual metafunction covers language used as an instrument of communication with which we build up cohesive and coherent sequences. Each clause carries a message, and so the textual aspect can be seen as fulfilling a message function of clauses and is therefore very closely connected to their information structure. Next, definition of theme and rhyme. According to Foray as cited in Dory 2020, the textual metafunction features the theme system network, thematic structure element of the clause that give its character as a message. One element of the clause is expressed as the theme. In English, this is done by putting the desired element right at the beginning of the clause. The next is rhyme. Rhyme is a part of the clause that provides new information about the theme. Next, types of theme. The first one is topical theme, the second one is textual theme, and the last one is interpersonal theme. Topical theme. According to Arun Siro 2013, topical theme is the element which refers to a participant, a circumstance, or the process of the clause. There are two types of topical theme. The first one is unmarked and the second one is marked. The first one is unmarked. The unmarked topical theme is the typical theme in English clause that are usually start with subject. The next is marked. The marked topical theme is non-typical theme that is characterized by other than subject such as complement, adjunct, or predicator. Next, textual theme. Textual theme to connect logically the first and second clause, mostly in the forms of conjunction and continuative. Conjunction such as and, but, then, after, or through. Continuative. According to Halliday and Matheson, as cited in Arun Siro 2013, continuatives are a small set of words which link or signal move in discourse, such as well. The last is interpersonal theme. According to Partridge, as cited in Arun Siro 2013, interpersonal theme refers to an item that comes before the rhyme which indicates the relation between participants in the text or the position or point of view that is being taken in the clause. Interactional interpersonal theme is realized in vocative, and transactional interpersonal theme is realized in finite and WH question. Here, I analyze the text My Days in Bali, and I would like to present the result of the text analysis using textual metafunction approach. The following is a description of the analysis. This text consists of 9 sentences with 15 clauses. The text that has been divided into each clause is colored blue for the topical theme and green for the textual theme. First clause. Last year, I had the opportunity to attend an international education conference in Bali. This clause is marked because the clause starts with topical theme adjunct that shows time last year. Second clause, it was my first time visiting the island. This clause is unmarked because the clause start with subject topical theme. The third clause is, and I was both excited and nervous. This clause consists of textual theme and topical theme. Textual theme, conjunction, and topical theme subject I. So this clause is unmarked. The fourth clause, the conference was held in a large hotel by the beach with participants from various countries. This clause is unmarked because the clause starts with topical theme subject, the conference. The fifth clause, on the first day, I attended several workshops on innovative teaching strategies. This clause is marked because the clause starts with topical theme adjunct that shows time on the first day. And the sixth clause is where I learn new method to engage students in the classroom. This clause consists of textual theme, conjunction where, and topical theme subject I. So this clause unmarked. The next seventh clause, during the breaks, I explored the local area with some fellow educators. This clause is marked because the clause starts with adjunct shows time during the breaks. Next, eighth clause, we visited temples. This clause is unmarked because the clause starts with topical theme subject we. And the next is ninth clause, tasted traditional Balinese food. This clause have implicit subject is we, where we refers to previous clause. So this clause is unmarked. And the 10th clause, and watch a cultural dance performance. This clause also have implicit subject is we, which refers previous clause, and this clause have textual theme conjunction and. So this clause is unmarked. 11th clause, the highlight of the trip was meeting new colleges and exchanging ideas. This clause is unmarked because the clause start with subject, the highlight of the trip. And the 12th clause is I gained valuable insight not only for my career but also about the importance of education in different parts of the world. This clause also is unmarked because the clause starts with topical theme subject I. 13th clause, by the end of the week, I felt inspired and energized. This clause is marked because the clause starts with topical theme adjunct that shows time by the end of the week. The next is 14th clause, ready to apply. This clause have implicit subject and also verb, where subject is I, which I refer to previous clause. So this clause is unmarked. And the last clause is what I had learned to my own teaching. This clause consists of textual theme conjunction what and topical theme subject I. So this clause unmarked. From the analysis above, we can see that marked clauses are 4, which is about 27%, and unmarked clauses are 11, which is about 73%. So, the conclusion of the text analysis is the text consists of 9 sentences and consists of 15 clauses, where there are 4 clauses marked by many adjuncts, such as last year, on the first day, during the breaks, and at the end of the week, which emphasize the chronology or timing of event that serves as additional information or time context. This helps the reader to understand the sequence of events. Meanwhile, there are 11 unmarked clauses, each beginning with a subject such as I, the conference, it, we, and others. The calculation shows that the percentage of unmarked clause is 73% compared to the marked clauses, which is about 27%. This indicates that the text provides general information about the author's experience attending international education conference in Bali without any significant emphasis. In addition, the text also found several textual theme conjunctions, such as the words and, where, and what, that function as a link between the previous clauses. This text is included in the written text because the structure is well organized, use chronology or time of events, and there is no interpersonal theme. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.